Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag Dishwasher Lower Wash Arm. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new lower wash arm. The lower wash arm cleans the dishes on the lower rack. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's damaged and the dishes aren't getting clean. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that you have the door open, we can pull out the lower dish rack. Just going to pull it out on the door. Once you have it out, you can lift it off and set it aside. Now that we have the rack out of the way, we can take out the lower wash arm. We're going to use a Torx 20 driver to take out the screw that holds it down. Once you have the screw out, we can pull the lower wash arm out of the dishwasher. Here's the old lower wash arm next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new lower wash arm in, all you have to do is set it onto the sump. We can put the screw in its hole, and we can use the Torx 20 driver to tighten it down. Once you have the screw tightened down, the wash arm should spin freely, and then we can put the lower rack back in. To put the lower dish rack back in, all you have to do is set it on the door and push it all the way in. Once you have it in, you can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.